In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Wix. This is a very simple process, but it's also an important one, especially if you're using a shared computer or you just want to make sure your account stays secure. Let's start from the point where you're already logged in to your Wix account and you're on any Wix page, such as your dashboard or the main site management area. The key thing you're looking for is your profile icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Take a moment to move your eyes or your mouse cursor up to the very top bar on the right hand side. There, you should see a small icon or image that represents your profile. This might be your initials, a profile picture, or a generic user icon, depending on how your account is set up. That little icon is your main access point for account-related options, including logging out. Now, hover your mouse over that profile icon and give it a click. When you click on it, a small menu will drop down. This menu usually contains options related to your account, such as your profile settings, billing information, and other tools. What we're interested in for this video is the option that says Log Out. Look through that drop-down menu and find the Log Out option. It's typically near the bottom of the list, and it may be written simply as Log Out or Sign Out, depending on the current Wix interface design. Once you've located it, click on Log Out. After you click, Wix will process that request and sign you out of your account. You'll usually see the page reload or redirect, taking you either to the main Wix homepage or to a sign-in screen. That's your confirmation that you're no longer logged in. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to also close the browser tab or window after logging out, just for extra security. And if you have multiple Wix tabs open, remember that logging out in one tab will log you out across all of them. That's all there is to it. You click the profile icon in the top right, select Log Out from the drop-down menu, and you're signed out of Wix safely and securely.